Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm your teacher Ijaz for chemistry grade 8. Today's lecture number 25. Topic is molecule and its type. Unit number 1, Fundamentals of Chemistry. On your book page number 26 and 27. Molecules and its types. Molecule पेज नंबर 26. आपने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा है एटम्स के बारे में. एटम may or may not exist in free state. Atom is a pure substance, a tiny particles which may or may not exist in free state. And molecule is the combination of atoms. Molecule is the combination of atom. A molecule is formed by the chemical combination of atoms. When two or more atoms are chemically combined, they form molecule. The atoms may be same or different. Different atoms भी combine होके molecule बनाते हैं और same atoms भी combine होके molecule बनाते हैं. A molecule is formed by the chemical combination of atom. It is the smallest unit of a substance. Molecule is the smallest unit of a substance. Molecule is the smallest particle of matter which can exist free in nature and may be composed of like or unlike atoms. It shows all the properties of that particular substance. इसको हाईलाइट करें शाबाश. कर लिया हाईलाइट. Molecule is the chemical combination of two or more atoms. It is a pure substance. Molecule is a pure substance and it is the smallest particle which can exist free in nature. आपको पता है atom can't exist free in nature but molecule can exist free in nature. Clear? Molecules may be composed of same atoms or different atoms. Like atoms, that is same atoms. For example, N2, H2, they are formed by the combination of same atoms. Same hydrogen combined to form hydrogen molecules. Same nitrogen atoms combined to form nitrogen molecules. Or molecules may be the combination of different atoms. For example, HCl is a molecule which is the combination of hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen and chlorine are different atoms. Different atoms are combined to form a molecule. Therefore, molecule may be the combination of same atoms or different atoms. And the molecule shows the properties of the particular substance. अब मालिक्यूल जिन जिन एटम से बना होता है उसमें ये उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ को शो करता है. क्लियर? दैट पार्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस की प्रॉपर्टीज़ शो करता है. इट शो ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ दैट पार्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस. आपको पता है केमिकल कंपाउंड जो है इट इज़ द कम्बिनेशन ऑफ मालिक्यूल्स. अब ये मालिक्यूल जो है इसी कंपाउंड के प्रॉपर्टीज़ को शो करता है. दैट इज़ मालिक्यूल. आपको पता है H2O इज़ द मालिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर कंपाउंड. वाटर कंपाउंड है. इट इज़ द कम्बिनेशन ऑफ वाटर मालिक्यूल्स एंड दैट वाटर मालिक्यूल शो द प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस. क्लियर? Now types of molecule. अब types of molecule depends upon the number of atoms. Also the types of atom. Number of atoms के बेस पे molecule के different types है और types of atoms के बेस पे molecules के different types है. अब हम पढ़ेंगे one by one the types of molecule on the basis of number as well as the types of molecule on the basis of types. Clear? तो types of molecule on the basis of number. Now types of molecules on the basis of number on page 27. book page number 27 आप निकालें तो book page number 27 पे types of molecule on the basis of number. There are two main types of molecule on the basis of number. कौन कौन से types हैं? That is called monoatomic molecule and polyatomic molecule. Monoatomic and polyatomic. Two types of molecules are monoatomic molecule and polyatomic molecule. Now monoatomic, mono literal meaning नाम से ज़ाहिर है. Mono means one. It means that type of molecules which consist of only one atom. That type of molecule which consists of only one atom, that is called monoatomic molecules. जितनी भी noble gases है ग्रुप 8 के, जितनी भी noble gases है, for example helium, neon, argon, xenon, etc., they are called inert gases, they are called noble gases, that is called zero group, and they are monoatomic molecules because their octet is complete and one atoms form a molecule, that is called monoatomic molecule. ठीक है, monoatomic molecules are formed by only one atom. Mono means one. Example क्या है? Helium, neon, argon, xenon, krypton, they are noble gases, they are inert gases. Clear? देखिए यहाँ पे फिगर में देख ले, एक एटम है उसमें हीलियम नज़र आ रहा है, ये दैट रिप्रेजेंट मोनो एटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज़ पॉली एटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल. पॉली मीन्स more than one. Polyatomic molecule consist of more than one atoms. अब polyatomic molecules consist of various types. अब polyatomic molecules के और भी types है. For example diatomic molecule. देखिए यहाँ पे ग्रीन में आपको नज़र आ रहा है diatomic molecule. नाम से ज़ाहिर है di means two. That type of molecule which consist of two atoms, that is called diatomic molecule. For example hydrogen molecule, oxygen molecule, nitrogen molecule, they consist of two atoms. Hydrogen molecule consists of two hydrogen atom, oxygen molecule consists of two oxygen atom, and nitrogen molecule consists of two nitrogen atoms. Hydrochloric acid HCl is also a diatomic molecule which consists of hydrogen and chlorine atom. फिगर में ऑक्सीजन की टू एटम्स combine to form O2 molecule, that is diatomic, which consists of two atoms. Another example type, that is triatomic molecule. Triatomic molecule नाम से ज़ाहिर है, tri means three. That type of molecule which consists of three atoms. For example water is the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Two hydrogen, one oxygen, that is three atoms combined to form triatomic molecule. Another one example is carbon dioxide CO2, one carbon and two oxygen. Ozone O3 is also the example of triatomic molecule. फिगर में देख ले, ये रेड जो आपको नज़र आ रहा है ये ऑक्सीजन है और ये हाइड्रोजन है. टू हाइड्रोजन combined with oxygen to form a triatomic molecule of water. Clear? Now tetraatomic molecule. Tetra means four. That type of molecule which consists of four atoms. इसके अलावा है पेंटाएटॉमिक molecule. पेंटाएटॉमिक molecule consists of five atoms. देखिए यहाँ पे आपके बुक में जिक्र नहीं है, हम आपको बताते हैं किस तरह टेट्रा एंड पेंटाएटॉमिक molecules बनते हैं. Molecule, there are two types of molecule, that is monoatomic example, that is consist of only one atom. और इसकी एग्जाम्पल की बात करें तो मैंने आपसे पहले भी कहा मोनोएटॉमिक, that is helium, neon, argon, etc., that consist of only one atom. और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट इज़ पोलीएटॉमिक कंसिस्ट ऑफ मोर देन वन एटम. अब पोलीएटॉमिक्स के और टाइप्स है, दैट इज़ डाईएटॉमिक कंसिस्ट ऑफ two atoms. For example N2 consists of two nitrogen atom. Another example is HCl consists of chlorine and hydrogen. Two atoms of hydrogen and chlorine combined to form HCl. इसके अलावा अगर आप देख ली O2 diatomic, not triatomic, consists of three atoms. For example H2O consists of two hydrogen and one oxygen. Another example is CO2 that is consist of one carbon and two oxygen, that is triatomic molecule. Triatomic molecule consists of three atoms. नाम से ज़ाहिर है, tri means three. Now next example, that is O3, ozone, is the three oxygen combined to form ozone. Now tetraatomic, that is H2O2. four atoms combine to form tetraatomic. Tetraatomic, for example, two hydrogen combined with two oxygen producing is hydrogen peroxide, that is tetraatomic. Another example is NH3. NH3, three atoms of hydrogen combined with one nitrogen forming a tetraatomic molecule. इसके अलावा टेट्रा एटॉमिक की देख लें C2H2, that is acetylene. Acetylene is an example of tetraatomic. Two atoms of hydrogen combined with two atoms of carbon forming acetylene. Now the next one, that is pentaatomic. Penta means five atoms combined to form pentaatomic molecule. Pentaatomic molecules के examples अब अगर आप देख ले, that is CH4. CH4 is methane. Methane is an example of tetraatomic. Four hydrogen combined with one carbon producing molecule having five atoms, that is pentaatomic molecule. Another example of pentaatomic molecule, that is HNO3, nitric acid. One hydrogen, one nitrogen and three oxygen, that is pentaatomic molecule. Another example of pentaatomic molecule, that is CaCO3. One calcium, one carbon and three oxygen combined to form calcium carbonate molecule, that is pentaatomic. Pentaatomic molecule consists of five atoms. Five atoms combined to form pentaatomic. There are two types of molecule. कौन से है? Monoatomic and polyatomic. Mono means one, that type of molecule which consists of one atoms. Polyatomic molecule, that type of molecule which consists of more than one atom, that is called polyatomic molecule. Clear? आपके बुक पेज नंबर 27 पे टाइप्स ऑफ मालिक्यूल्स का एक टेबल सा दिया गया है, साथ फिगर भी दिए गए हैं, देख ले. नो, it is noted that some molecules are very big and large and they are called macromolecules. On the basis of size of atom, there are two types of molecule, that is called macromolecules and micromolecules. Macromolecules are big in size, big and large in size, that is called macromolecules. Macromolecules are large in size, they are big. For example, hemoglobin is a macromolecule found in blood. जितनी भी बायोलॉजिकल मालिक्यूल्स है, दे आर बिग मालिक्यूल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप डीएनए की ले ले, आरएनए की स्ट्रक्चर ले ले, प्रोटीन की ले ले, तो प्रोटीन का स्ट्रक्चर भी बहुत से एटम्स आपस में कंबाइन होकर बिग मालिक्यूल, लार्ज मालिक्यूल बनाते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स. इसके अलावा एक और है माइक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स. माइक्रोमोलिक्यूल कंसिस्ट ऑफ micromolecules consist of small atoms, few atoms forming a molecule having small size. उसका साइज स्मॉल होता है. जितनी भी इनऑर्गेनिक मालिक्यूल्स है, दे आर कॉल्ड माइक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स. माइक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स आर स्मॉल इन साइज. क्लियर? That is macro and micromolecules, the types of molecule on the basis of size. Macromolecule, biological molecules are macromolecules and other inorganic molecules are micromolecules. Clear?